Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss responsibilities of a steel detailer is in structural steel construction. Responsibilities of a steel detailer. Create shop drawings. To produce detailed drawings that fabricators can use to cut, weld and assemble steel components. Generating erection drawings. Providing field workers with step-by-step guidance on how to install steel structures. Ensuring accuracy and compliance. Checking drawings against engineering and architectural plan to meet industry standards and codes. Collaboration with engineers and architects. Communicating with design teams to resolve conflicts or discrepancies in drawings. Following industry standards. Ensuring that drawings comply with codes such as AAC, BS, IS or AS and NSS standards depending on the project location. Revision and documentation. Updating drawings based on client or engineer feedback and maintaining documentation for reference. Generating CNC and machine reports. NC files contain data for CNC machines used in cutting, drilling and punching. DXF files used for laser and plasma cutting of steel plates. These reports are essential for automated fabrication, ensuring precision and efficiency in the manufacturing process. Thank you for watching.